Hi guys, I'm not going to bore you with a boring intro because you all know why you're here. Welcome to part 2 of Japanese snacks. Hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, happy watching. Okay, so 3 or which one?
Sorry.
Matcha
The
or
peas?
yeah, let's go for the peas. I normally hate peas, but I tried other pea chips and they didn't seem so bad. So something more chocolate? No, like it's like caramel or something.
This
Let's
one
try
looks
this.
so good. Okay, let's
Okay.
first go with this one.
Okay,
I'm really excited.
Unboxing.
unboxing.
Yeah. wait, wait. Like,
Oh. I'll try to be professional and open the package.
So,
properly.
smells like chips. Like,
Like it looks like a cute little peapod.
Oh,
Damn, girl.
it smells like,
oh, Claudia's already.
She's already eating.
sorry.
They're good, I like them.
Oh, it's good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Would recommend. 11. Yeah, these are 11 on our scale so far.
This is normal, like, for a European person.
Yeah, it's good, but it's not like 10 out of 10.
South Africans, they taste like flings. Like flings, the yellow flings, they're puffy little chips. And they have no pea flavor.
Oh, it's so good.
It doesn't taste like
These
pea.
are so good.
Okay, be right back.
Yes.
We're gonna eat the packet.
We should
We're
try
over
the
that.
dried ones also, because they were dried, like peas.
Oh,
real
peas.
Mm-hmm.
Should we try one more and then go to you, or should we go to you now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We can do the whole for you.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Matcha thing.
Matcha. Okay, but she has really cool other videos, so go watch it. Hashtag plug. What? Have any of you tried matcha before? Oh, Cara opening packages wrong again.
I tried.
New series. Cara does it wrong.
Oh wow, it has such a cute package.
I think this was not good for you.
But none of us
But
swallowed
you
it.
really just left it here?
That's the one that dropped on the floor.
You're so messy,
I
guys.
really did.
No, it's
That's
okay.
good, Claudia. That's good. That's the right spirit.
Come on, open it.
Right here.
Why are you kidding me?
My worst nightmare. I can't open it though. It has eyes.
It's good. That's not taste.
Alright,
No.
I opened it.
See, it's not as easy as it looks.
But I opened it.
But she's not there yet.
No, I'm there.
We're not eating it.
I'm already there.
They're still taking a picture of the little crab, by the way. Because it's cute. It just doesn't taste good.
Alright.
Got it?
I want also his hands. Where's his hands?
Okay, it smells like matcha.
Okay, I've never had
What
much.
is matcha?
I've never had much.
Like what is matcha? No, it's
Mm.
like
It's like a tea.
Yeah,
Can
it
I smell?
is a plant.
I just smell this, I think. I hope.
Like, I
wanna smell
smelled it. Like, I think
It's not good.
Let's have one empty.
It smells like the chocolate you get in your like calendar for the Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Like chocolate calendar.
That's interesting.
Oh no. Ew. Heavily. No.
Oh, this one is okay.
Bring her sneakers, please. Yeah.
So what would you give it?
5. 9.
A 3.
A 6. I would give it a 6. That's good. Like I would eat it again, but it's not like.
It's
The
not like
inside.
no, I wouldn't. No, I give it a 7. Yeah, 6. A 6. I wouldn't
5.
eat it again. Like try it. Try it's okay.
Like if someone offered me a piece of chocolate with it in, like I would be like, okay. But I wouldn't like go out of my way to buy it for myself. But if you like matcha a lot, then it's good.
But I would.
Also, I don't know. So if it's there, I'll eat it. Okay, should we
Should we
try?
try this one?
I don't know what it is.
I want to try the big green thing.
Okay.
Like before we get too much.
Shit again? I don't know.
I could open a packet. Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, it looks so perfect. Oh my god, it looks so
so fake.
satisfying.
Yeah.
Oh my,
Smells
like apple.
It's actually melon.
Melon?
Look how perfect the shape of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's.
This is like the thing with Japanese. Everything is so fake.
I think there's melon. There's melon inside. It's like real melon or something.
I want.
Ooh.
Ooh. Okay, let's try it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So.
It's like a melon cream.
The bread is just like sweeter bread, but it's good.
It's barely any bread.
Arbolina! Okay.
I did not like it.
I just looked at her and she was like,
Like the bread is fine, but Evelina be like,
You're crazy.
Which is good.
No,
It's like tastes like melon.
it's fake.
Not like melon cream.
Melon.
That's not.
No, it's cute. Cute. It has a cute taste.
Yeah.
It's cute.
It's cute.
No, but it's not like the real melon. That's a fruit melon.
Of course not.
Yeah. It's cool. Like it tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
But the bread was good.
Oh, next.
Wait, you didn't say what you gave it.
This is hard because it's good,
Fine.
but I wouldn't like buy it often.
so you have to eat it.
8, 7-ish.
I hope.
Yeah,
I like
7. I give it a 7. You give it a
4.
5.
Okay.
Really close. Claudia's trying something.
What is that? Show it to them.
Ew, did you feel the smell? Did you feel?
Did you
No.
feel
The
Did
smell?
you feel the smell?
Something.
Yeah. You
You
did
smell the smell.
Did you feel the smell?
Oh my god, is it cheese? Cheese? What? It wasn't bad.
Oh no.
No, it wasn't.
No.
Why?
No.
But it tastes
It's like chicken nuggets.
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
nugget.
Like chips.
But after we have eaten so much sugar, this feels just like
1, 2, 3.
It's sweet.
They are crazy. It's like
it's
I don't.
sweet.
It's good.
Yeah, I want.
Yeah, I like it.
Has like a fake cheese taste.
I don't like it. Fresh.
It's okay.
They
Like
had hate plate.
the hit
Gosh.
taste.
I don't know if I like it or if I hate it. Like,
Then you like it.
Did you like it? I think we need to take
it
a
was
break.
okay.
I will eat the last one. I don't understand you girls. It's fine.
It was a 7.
A 4.
A
4.
No, 6.
She gives everything we give a 10,
Yeah.
like a 3, and I give something a 4, she gives it a 7.
I want this
I give it a 10.
You
Like
make these.
people, I love food. I don't know what's
No,
wrong
no,
with
No, we want the piece.
Oh, sorry.
We want the good stuff.
Not the hate plate. Can I have the peas also?
Lifesaver.
She's like not letting go of my
I
backhand.
had only one.
Okay, this one.
Wait, we want to piece first. Ooh, should check. Wow. We tried to translate the packet in the store. It wouldn't let us. So we have no idea what it is.
Okay.
Alright.
How do you open this, Cara?
You asked me
You can't open anything. No, here. I found
Water.
Yay! Wow. Let's see. Okay. It has this powder on it. I think it's peanut powder.
Why do you think so? Not again.
No, it has a strong smell. Like strong
oh,
smell.
like curry.
No, it's not peanut butter. It doesn't
It's
have.
similar to the last one we had.
It has a similar soy smell.
Everything tastes like soya.
Have the chip
Okay,
ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's good. It's good.
What does it taste like? Okay, I will try.
You won't like
No, I
it.
don't want. I won't.
Try it, just bite it, not that bad.
Just bite it. It's not like crazy taste. Like it's actually a bit
Just
bland.
bite it.
It's bland. You'll like it.
It's fine.
No.
Hey,
7.
hey. 6. Screenshot.
But still hate plate.
Color.
Nah. Alright.
We will take it to the agency and give it to everyone else to try.
No. No, it's okay. Hate plate.
Well, I give that one a 2. No, a 3. A 3, because it was not too bad. But I didn't like it. Like, or maybe it's just now that I don't want like
So-
food taste.
A few laughs. I think these are good.
2 left. I think these are good ones. What should we do?
Which one?
2
A te
left.
bate 6 salate, a te bate na bazar, a te bate što kupili, a te bate samovar, a te bate to su svoje, a te bate nie. A te bate to su ja.
Mani, mani,
Vänta.
Ole, dopp, kinke, lane, lane, dinke, dane, Ole, dopp. Adam, pedam, hipp, upp.
Cora goes, man, this one.
Good baby.
Food baby.
Oh yeah, you open it now. Professional. Ah!
Hand up like candy.
This is like a soft candy. Okay.
Is it like,
Smells.
ew.
So thick. Smells like vanilla.
Yeah.
Why did you say you?
I don't like it. Like butter.
Wait.
I promise.
Look, it has like something on, like it's.
It's something and it has the vanilla on it. So,
It's like on Christmas, you know that cake. How it's called? Gingerbread.
No.
Nowhere near ginger.
Oh, it's
I don't like it.
it's like lemon.
Yeah,
It's
like,
like-
a lemon cake.
Lemon curd.
Kinder has this little cookie.
I did not like this.
I like it.
Vote how much?
2.
4.
8.
Because it was good,
7.
but I don't like lemon like in general. So.
I don't think it, is it lemon? You think so?
I think it's lemon.
Like lemon curd.
Boom rock. Alright.
Lemon flavor.
And the last thing, I think this is good too. Everything is.
Everyone like most things. hates most things.
The positivity is here, and then the rest is.
But we are, I think we have so much positivity like every other time of
Yeah.
the day. So it's just now.
Yeah, it's just now. yeah.
Smells like egg.
Ew. Then I won't.
No, it smells like fish.
Ew. It smells like Japanese bakery. Like they try to do something good and then they just.
You have knife?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut it.
I don't know what they have, but they have like the same ingredients and everything they do. It feels like that because everyone tastes like the same. Wow.
Uno.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
It's a little bit of trash.
Oh, it's.
Oh.
Oh. Sorry. Oh, it's stuck. Like, I'm stuck now, guys. I'm struggling. Ah, it will fall. No, just put it back. Put it back. What are you doing?
Guys, okay. No, this
It's
is
like
not
cheesecake.
working.
I can't. What am I? Wait, let me cut this thing. Just put it back. Yeah.
So violent. Dismantle this one can be yours since you've eaten all the time.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry.
Who doesn't mind sharing a bite? Take a
I don't mind.
You can
No, it's alright. It's like, it's European.
Ew. It's
It's
so
really good.
It's like Cremora tart is good in our country.
Like,
Like
like chocolate.
The bread was okay. No, thank you. But I really don't.
Okay, so how many of these things do you actually like?
I liked everything. Everything had their like its own special taste.
The ice cream.
Is that the only thing you like?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I'm sorry. No, those were actually okay. They were okay.
comparing to everything else.
No, pea chips. Okay, so what? Yeah, your favorite and your worst.
My favorite.
The ice cream.
No, this.
These chips, then ice cream, and then this thing.
I don't know. I liked everything.
And then worst.
The crab.
Yeah, the crab was really spicy.
Yeah. I recommend you try everything because you never know if you'll like it or if you'll hate it.
Don't try.
So good. It's like she's doing the evil and I'm the angel thing.
Yeah. Okay. So, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Ned.
Bye. Thank you, Ned.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking.